Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the speaker volume on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app and then find our camera device that has been connected to the app, and we're going to click on the three dots under our camera and then click on the gear icon to go to settings. And then we're going to scroll down to audio settings, and here we have the speaker volume. So you can drag this slider to change the volume of your speaker, or you can click on this slider right here to disable the speaker. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.